where we had the fire last night. Another one tonight. A lot of this is gone now. Gotta get rid of them. Get the memorial done. But we found the barn! Ain't we, Lana?
Yep. Nice, isn't this?
Grass seeds, lethal things, especially for doggies.
That's why it's still spreading. Every time you go to brush, it flicks the bristles around and the ones that get loose.
Evil.
Dude, guys.
Kaylin enjoying more space.
No,
Kaylin!
What?
She's found some injuries she wants to keep. Girls are getting new fairies out for the memorial. Woo. You can put 3 this side and 3 the other, but it's entirely up to you which ones you want to put there. Aren't you winning?
The one that looks like Fiona.
I will do that in a moment.
Okay, 1 minute. Now it's done. Right. Okay, do this. I'm done. Save you, Fiona.
Grass like a Miley.
I managed to save Fiona.
Pretty. Pretty little fairy.
Wait, Lana.
Oh, hi.
Wait, Lana. I am Wait, Santa, why are you touching my baby?
I might as well stand there because she shut that box. I might as well keep putting the tags in here.
You could put the boxes up the corner for the fire lighter.
Have you seen what happens to polystyrene when you put it on a fire?
I don't know. I don't think you're supposed to put that on. Oh,
It's pretty pretty.
Where's the wire?
there isn't any. They've got the little
Oh, yeah.
what's it already on them.
She's my favorite.
She's pretty.
It's like a toy, a figure. Yeah, Fiona's.
I like it.
Booger.
Give me that.
Terror. It's pretty. We'll have to get some more, won't we? More things. We've got to paint the lighthouse and fix Tinks's grave. They're the same as the ones we had last time.
Maggie. They're the Illuminati fairies.
Hey. Oh, shoot.
I have to think of what else we want up here.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms! We had mushrooms before, they got broke, didn't they? Light up mushrooms like we had last time.
Yeah. We can get a turtle as well.
And we could get a frog that lights his eyes up. Be dad. That'd be funny.
This thing's a stuffed Toby.
Huh?
Toby.
Yeah, I'm on the Toby.
Oh yeah.
Henry Toby.
A frog. A little white frog. The Toby.
He was yellow.
Okay, yellow frog.
We can get two. One for the garden, and Maggie can have one in the room.
Yeah.
That's fine. That's okay with you.
Maybe if I can find the lady that done Hermione and Thumper.
She can make
She painted them the same as the rabbits.
They do look like them.
He sent them a picture, didn't he?
I sent them a picture and they painted them exactly like the rabbits that we had.
We're in a main.
Really? It'll look even better when Tinks's grave's finished and we've got Molly's grave done as well. Let's get some more bricks and do the same again.
You know what this is, right? Selena Kyle. You know, Catwoman. I might as well just say Catwoman, Harley Quinn was like.
Uh-oh. Who was that?
It was Ori behind the barn.
You go.
He was behind the barn, making silly noises. Whoa!
So we got a team of
It was loud.
mirror fairies.
Big massive spider.
Caught you that time.
Because Catwoman's boat.
Catwoman's boat, Poison Ivy and Harley are supposed to be villains.
Yeah. So it's kind of hard to say whether or not if they're all villains. if
They
they're
have
villains.
their moments.
So it's kind of weird. I just realised you've got a little rabbit.
Oh, seriously? Ow, Tonks!
The little one's got a little rabbit.
She's got a bird, she's got a butterfly, she's got a
Tonks, get off there!
Oh, he's so cool. Uncle, what are you doing? Uncle, what are you doing? Uncle, what are you doing? Don't knock him over.
Eating grass again.
Oh, damn it, it's hard.
You're still getting grass seeds out.
They are quite literally stuck in. Alright, give me tweezers! Give me tweezers. No, which
You put them back, didn't you?
They're on the laptop.
I'm putting back. You're eating grass again.
Tonks, get off there! That's Zena's Snail Hotel.
Have you seen how many snails are in there now?
There's loads.
Got it!
Kaylin! Kaylin! She's doing it. Castiel! Really? Don't like the police car.
What if you ate it?
Look at her, just sitting there picking the grass seeds out of her trousers.
One of them fell apart inside, so I was just like, oh.
Is it okay to say?
No, wait, let me see if I can notice it first.
Okay. Nina, shift your ass a little bit. And Maggie can see them both.
Let's just off a lot.
She wants to see both sides.
Sit over here on the other side of the box.
It's fine.
We'll push the boxes along.
At least sit in the middle.
Yeah.
I found the spade.
Oh yeah. What was it?
He's lining them up.
Go just sit in the middle then. I already said that. We're gonna get these out. What do you think? Move the green one a bit backwards or move that one forward? I'm gonna move that one.
Yeah.
Gonna go like
My fucking nose.
There you go, dude.
Out.
Come on, Tonks, get down.
You gotta wait, you gotta wait.
Yeah, but
It's true. That slide's not working, no matter how much I push it backwards, it's not going backwards. Well, that was backwards. What the heck?
we done?
No, what did I do? I
Anyway.
completely ruined it. No, it's completely ruined.
Anyway,
No, look at it, it's completely ruined. I know it smells like it.
they look okay.
It might make the green one and the blue. Might make the green one look a bit more purple. And you sitting right in front of that one.
Let's see if it is, isn't it? Then you're distracted.
Oh, I did. I told ya.
That's it.
Shut up. Luna. Don't even do it.
What do you all sound like? Ground's not even level.
It's a garden. Sorry.
Wait, nothing's that sharp.
That better?
Cool. I guess it'll
happy with that?
It looks wrong.
Well, maybe you could keep moving them around until you're happy.
No, I like the triangle look.
Which triangle do you prefer? The left one or the right one? Mine? Everything can work on the one side to match up to the other.
No, it's doing it now. Like, you see, the triangle's kind of facing outward. And it's opposite. It's almost there. It's just the ground isn't level. Mom.
It's hard to fix the ground, I'm sorry.
That side looks darker as well. That side looks lighter. That's why it looks
Yeah,
different
because
as well.
the light's coming through.
And the ground's not level. We're good. Why are you in the middle, man? I need to see.
That's always enough.
Oh.
You pushed me over this thing. Why is she trying to change?
She's trying to get it perfect.
Ma,
Yeah.
you're standing on the slab of the red ants.
You are?
You're standing on the slab of the red ants.
Really?
Yes.
Oh well.
I bet if you lift it up.
I guess it also doesn't help that they're all like kind of sitting on these like set up like so that kind of throws your quality as well, don't you?
I think they look okay.
But Mum, you think everything we do looks okay? Like, I could have just smudged them all up into the middle and you would have said, yeah, fine.
No, I wouldn't. As I said, spread them out a bit.
Same here. There needs to be something to go in the middle.
I'll get some mushrooms, as that.
Not a mushroom. Mushrooms go around the fruit bit, I guess.
Lily pads?
The trees? Not lily pads.
Flowers, butterflies.
I'm not touching the fairies.
I was thinking about that butterfly and I was going to do that. Oh, no, you
Sorry.
didn't even put it in the middle.
It's kind of hard to judge because of the box. It's wonky.
I put the rock in the middle.
Should have seen her. Room.
I'm getting to level.
I'll do it.
Shut it in there, you like. Oh, there. Yeah. Set him up there. I couldn't move the ground.
That okay?
The butterflies are.
Fairies, we open the door. They're pretty. That is so cute. That's so cute.